Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel.
Baby girl, let the ice spray. Give you all what your life
Let's
is.
just get right into it. A lot of you guys have been DMing me and asking me, please do an eyebrow tutorial. So I'm coming through for you guys. And this is going to be an eyebrow tutorial. But before we get into the tutorial, just a little background. Before I had ginger hair, I used to do my eyebrows dark brown. So that was like a completely different method that I used. So if you guys want to know the dark brown one, then just let me know and then I'll incorporate it in one of my makeup tutorials. But now that I'm a ginger, I told myself that I should probably have eyebrows that match my ginger hair. I have been using an amazing product and it is the Rare Beauty Brow Harmony Gel. Yep, so this right here. And honestly, you guys, it works amazing for me. I love it. Like, Selena Gomez really did a good job. I don't know if you guys have seen my other Rare Beauty makeup tutorial where I did swatches on their lipsticks, but if you haven't, then I will definitely link it down below. But yes, so what I love about this is that it's basically 2-in-1. So not only is there one end that's a pencil, but there's another end that's like a spoolie and a gel with the same brown color. Well, it's like a ginger brownish color, but this is called Warm Auburn. But before we get into this tutorial, you guys already know what I'm about to say. Don't forget to click subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, which I'm sure you will. Share, comment, and let's get it.
When I'm going out, you'll be there.
Alright guys, so I'm here getting super up close and personal. And I take a spoolie and I brush my eyebrows upwards. And I do this so that I know exactly how I want to shape my eyebrows. So if my eyebrows are just, you know, not brushed or anything like that, I won't really know exactly what shape I'm going to scrape my eyebrows into.
Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself.
And now I take an eyebrow scraper and I'm going to cut my eyebrows exactly in the shape that I want. You can find this scraper at any store really. I always go to the black hair salon and that's where I find it, the beauty supply stores. So I'm just taking off the excess hair, and as you can tell, I don't know if you can see, but I have a beauty mark. And I always use that as my pointer of where my arch should be.
Begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No lie.
And remember, you don't want to cut too much of your eyebrows. You just want to cut just enough so that if you want to shape it any other way, then you can go back and do it. But initially, make sure you never cut too much of it.
Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me.
And now I'm going back with my spoolie and I'm brushing it upwards all over again. And now I'm just going to do the same thing but on the other side.
Put your love on me.
And there, my eyebrows are done and I'm ready to put on my makeup. And I do my eyebrows after I moisturize my face and I do my color correction. So I'm just showing you guys that right now, and then I will show you my eyebrows. Okay, now to fill in my eyebrows, I take that same spoolie and I just brush my eyebrows upwards. Like I always tell you guys in my other videos, I really like the bushy eyebrow look, so I always do this.
Sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me.
And now I'm going to take my Rare Beauty Harmony Brow Pencil and Gel in the shade Warm Auburn, and I'm going to start filling in my eyebrows. So like I told you guys, it has two ends. It has this gel part that has a spoolie, and it also has this part that's a pencil. So what I'm going to do is take the pencil part and start filling in my eyebrows.
Your love, put your love on me. Face everywhere, when I'm going out, you'll be there.
So as you can see, I'm filling it in an upwards motion. I'm not putting too much pressure on it I'm just putting enough so that the color can appear.
'Cause everyone keep looking like you.
And now I'm going to go over my eyebrows with the gel part, which has the spoolie. And you can see as I'm applying it, it's adding not only more color, but it's brushing my eyebrows upwards and in place, just where I want it to be.
Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me.
And you definitely want to make sure that you're not putting too much of it, because a little bit goes a long way. And now I'm going to take my L.A Girl concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm showing you guys right now exactly how I use my concealer to clean up my eyebrows. So I make sure that I take off the excess, and you see how the brush is very like flat? That's how you want it. You don't want too much product on it, and you don't want too little. And I just start cleaning up under my eyebrows. Try to get the straightest line that you can.
So much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you.
And as you guys know, I always use my fingers to blend it out. So just be careful while you're doing this, because you don't want to mess up the line. So you're just gonna blend it out very slowly, especially if you're a beginner at this. And guys, I know I need to get my nails done. My nail lady has been just so busy, so hopefully I will get it done by the next video. This is so embarrassing.
Your touch from your hands and your body, it hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love.
And now you want to make sure that you blend the middle of your eyebrows. If you don't do this, trust me, it's gonna look like you have a unibrow, and you don't want that.
When I'm going out, you'll be there.
And finally, you just brush your eyebrows upwards and you make your last final adjustments.
Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but
So after I'm done my full makeup, this is the final results. As you can see, I made sure to blend the foundation with a concealer that's around. I mean, I have lots of examples in a lot of my makeup tutorials where I do that, so that's definitely how I do it. So if you want to see how I do that, there's definitely a lot of examples in my other makeup tutorials where I blend out my foundation with the beauty blender around my eyebrows. And if you guys want to know, by the way, on my eyes, I am wearing HUDA Beauty Sand Haze eyeshadow palette. And I did a tutorial on this also in my last video, I believe. So if you haven't seen that yet, then definitely go check it out. Look who woke up from their nap. You know? Oh, so what he does is that he loves to... Oh, you're gonna say hi? He's always rubbing his hair on my face, and only after I've done my makeup. Like, really? So I'm happy he woke up after my tutorial, because if he woke up while I was doing this tutorial, it would be no tutorial. Say hi! You're not gonna say hi? Yeah? He said he'll say hi another time. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment. Tell me if this is the type of method that you use too. Let me know if you guys like to, you know, have the bushy eyebrow look, or do you guys like the block look, or I don't know, everyone's different. And I don't want anyone to ever think, oh, your routine is bad because you don't do it a certain way. No, I don't like memes that make fun of people's makeup either, because how people do their makeup is their form of expression. Unless you're not liking how you do your makeup, just do for you. Yeah. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.
Your love.